Hallo allemaal. Welcome to Master Language Fast, your go-to channel for learning languages quickly and effectively. Today we're diving into the beautiful world of the Dutch language with some essential daily phrases for beginners. Whether you're planning a trip to the Netherlands, Belgium or Suriname, or just want to impress your Dutch friends, mastering these phrases will give you a head start in your language learning journey. Remember, every new phrase you learn is a step closer to fluency. We've designed this lesson to be fun, engaging, and easy to follow, so get ready to learn. Welcome to Master Language Fast, your go-to channel for learning languages quickly and effectively. Let's dive into today's lesson. Our first phrase is essential for anyone who loves to eat. Waar is de supermarkt? Waar is de supermarkt? Means, where is the supermarket? In Dutch. Notice the pronunciation of supermarkt. It's not supermarket, but supermarkt, with the emphasis on the markt. Practice saying it a few times. You'll sound like a local in no time. Now that you've found the supermarket, let's learn how to ask about prices. Hoeveel kost het? Hoeveel kost het means, how much does it cost? This phrase is incredibly useful, especially when you're browsing those delicious Dutch cheeses or stroopwafels. Remember, hoeveel means how much, and kost means costs. Sometimes we all need a little help. In Dutch, you can ask, kunt u mij helpen? Kunt u mij helpen? Which means, can you help me? Remember to be polite and use u when addressing someone formally. You'll find the Dutch are generally very helpful and friendly, especially if you approach them with a smile and a few basic phrases. Chapter 4. Ik begrijp het niet. Don't worry if you don't understand everything immediately. Learning a new language takes time and practice. If you need someone to clarify, simply say, ik begrijp het niet. Ik begrijp het niet, which means I don't understand. Remember, begrijp is pronounced with a guttural G sound, similar to the Cheech and Bach. Don't be afraid to ask for clarification. It's all part of the learning process. Chapter 5. Ik heb hulp nodig. Similar to, ik begrijp het niet, you can also say, ik heb hulp nodig. Ik heb hulp nodig, when you need assistance. This phrase means, I need help. Remember, nodig means need or necessary. So, you're basically saying, I have help necessary. Practice these phrases, and you'll be able to communicate your needs effectively in Dutch. Chapter 6. Waar is het treinstation? Ready to explore beyond the supermarket? Let's learn how to ask for directions to the train station. Waar is het treinstation? Waar is het treinstation means, where is the train station? Notice how train station is a combination of train, and station. Dutch often combines words to create new ones, so pay attention to these compound words as you learn. Chapter 7. Once you find the train station, you'll need a ticket to ride. In Dutch, you can say, ik heb een ticket nodig, which means I need a ticket. Remember that een means a or an, and ticket is pronounced similarly to English. You're well on your way to navigating the Dutch train system. Chapter 8. Curious about the journey time? Ask, hoe lang duurt het? Which means, how long does it take? This phrase is helpful for understanding travel times, waiting times, or even the duration of a movie. Remember, hoe lang means how long, and duurt means takes or lasts. Chapter 9. Before you head to the platform, it's essential to know the departure time. Hoe laat vertrekt het means, what time does it leave? Hoe laat means what time, and vertrek means departs or leaves. Now you can ensure you don't miss your train. Chapter 10. Dank u wel. Don't forget to be polite. Dank u wel. Dank u wel means, thank you, in Dutch. It's a simple but essential phrase that goes a long way. Remember to smile and make eye contact when you say it. Your gratitude will be appreciated. Chapter 11. Spreekt u Engels? While it's always impressive to try speaking the local language, sometimes you might need to switch to English. Spreekt u Engels? Spreekt u Engels? means, do you speak English? Don't be afraid to use this phrase if you need to. Most Dutch people speak excellent English and they'll appreciate your effort to communicate. Chapter 12. Ja, dat doe ik. If someone asks if you speak English and you do, you can respond with ja, dat doe ik. Ja, dat doe ik. Which means, yes, I do. This is a simple and straightforward way to confirm your English-speaking abilities. If someone asks if you speak English and you don't, you can politely respond with nee, dat doe ik niet, which means no, I don't. Even if you don't speak English fluently, knowing a few basic phrases can still be helpful. If you didn't quite catch what someone said, don't hesitate to ask them to repeat it. Kunt u dat herhalen means, can you repeat that? This polite phrase will allow you to clarify any misunderstandings and ensure effective communication. Want to express extra gratitude? Use heel erg bedankt. This phrase means, thank you very much, and is a more emphatic way to show your appreciation. Remember, a little gratitude goes a long way, especially when you're exploring a new culture and language. Gefeliciteerd. You've just learned 15 essential Dutch phrases for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep repeating these phrases and try using them in real-life situations whenever possible. Now it's your turn. Practice these phrases and leave a comment with your favorite sentences. Don't forget to subscribe to Master Language Fast for more quick and effective lessons. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, have fun with it. Tot ziens.